Hi, in this video I will tell you about the way how you can get the real world coding experience. So this is a common question I always get in every session. What is the best way to get the real world experience? So I know the technology, but I don't have the confidence to work on a real project. So in this video I'm going to share my 3 tips which will help you to get the real world experience and which will help you to get the confidence to work any project. So tip number 1 is create workflows. If you're looking at any project closely, a project is a combination of various workflows. So try to understand, try to create a workflow for the login, sign up, shopping cart, payment gateway, paging, sorting. So try to create such workflow in the technology. It does not mean what are the technology you are learning. Everywhere you will have the same workflows. So try to get the grip, try to get the confidence to create such workflow. The tip number 2 is system design. So whenever you are building any project, so try to understand that project core components. So core components are architecture, we having the design patterns, we having the database tables relationship, we having how the component of the application will communicate to each other. So this understanding will help you to understand how actually the application we have to manage on the various server. So try to understand the system design things. The tip number 3 is build projects. So what are the workflow we created before, now integrate them together so that we can build an end-to-end application. So until you will not create a clone of the real world like project, we having, let's say, e-commerce domain project, we having the edtech domain project, and we having the online food delivery application, so that you will understand how a real world application are going to be designed in a particular technology. And trust me, if you're following these 3 tips, after learning the fundamental, after learning the foundation of the technology, you will get the real world experience. Because in a real world project, you also doing the same things. Because there is no difference if you are building a demo project by understanding, by thinking in the same direction as we are building in the real project. If you like this video, please do let me know in the comment section below if it is really helping to get the real world experience. If you're still having the doubt, please do ask in the comment section. I will try to reply. So thank you for watching this video.